Check the ingredient list and let's sing it. Clean the prawn, shell away, fresh ocean flavor on the plate. Garlic slice, chili fire, olive oil, taking it higher. 5 spoons in, salt and pepper, mix it up, make it better. 10 minutes, let it rest, flavor sinking at its best. Radish, then tomatoes, bright spring onion, cut everything right. Iceberg, green chili flame, avocado joining the game. Lime goes in, oil flows slow, mix the colors, let it glow. Hop in, hear that sound, prawns go dancing all around. 1 minute each, don't overstay, juicy inside, golden all the way. Toast the corn, make it crisp, fresh garnish prawns on top, lime and chili, final drop.